So we did till question number 5, I guess. Suryansh, unmute yourself and tell me, yesterday we did till which question? Question number 5 or question number 6?
51.
We have completed question number 5.
Not completed.
So we were on 5th question. Okay, thank you. Yes, okay, fine. So Suryansh, you read question number 5 now. 2, 6, 26.
26 and 14.
No, 26 symbol minus or plus? Yes, Suryansh, tell me fast. Plus symbol or minus symbol?
26
Yes.
minus 14.
Very good. So this is 26 minus 14. Okay. So now tell me, what are the two numbers in ones place?
64 minus 64.
Tell me.
64
6 and 4.
and 4.
Yeah. So now tell me from 6 how many? Show me your 6 fingers. So Suryansh, you should do it yourself. Yeah. Now how many fingers you will remove from these 6 fingers? Tell me.
4.
Yeah. Now remove 4 fingers and tell me what is the answer. Where are your 6 fingers? Now yeah. How many fingers are left?
2.
2. So this means 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay. Now in tens place, what are the two numbers?
1.
Huh? 2 and 1. Show me your 2 fingers. Now from these 2 fingers, remove 1 finger. How many are left?
1.
1. So answer is 1 to
12.
yes, answer is 1 to 12. Now this is the correct answer. Arhan, unmute yourself and read next question quickly.
What?
Next question, 6th bit.
Question 29 minus 17.
Wrong. Before that,
Minus 33.
36 minus 33. Now it's correct. Very good. So tell me, Arhan, tell me how many fingers we'll take out to subtract numbers in ones place. How many fingers?
6 fingers.
6 fingers. Show me your 6 fingers.
5 and 4 and 3.
Yeah. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So we'll write 3 in ones place. Okay. And in tens place, 3 minus 3, how much?
0.
Very good. So what is the answer?
3.
Yes, answer is 3. That's correct. Okay. Now next question. Yes, Veda.
I want to tell one answer, ma'am.
Okay, Veda. When it's your turn, then you can tell. Right? Sai Joshit, you read next question.
29
Yeah.
minus
Yes, 29 minus.
17.
Very good. So this is 29 minus 17. So now tell me how many fingers you will take out. We'll start from ones place.
9.
Yeah, show me your 9 fingers quickly. Bhavashrit, sit properly. Yeah. No, these are not 9. Yeah, 9 fingers. Yeah, fine. Now how many fingers you will remove from these 9 fingers?
7.
Yeah, now remove 7 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. How many are left?
2.
2. So this means 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. And what are the numbers in tens place?
2 and 1.
Yeah. So tell me the answer quickly.
1.
Yeah. 2 minus 1.
Answer is 1 to 12.
Answer is 1 to 12. Very good. That's the correct answer. Now, Bhavashwat, you read next question. Second last question.
You read it. This one.
2, 4. 1.
What is in tens place?
See, you have to read that. It's 4, 3, 43. Read it. Yes.
1. 21 minus
No, no, no. That's wrong. No. See, first you have to read the number. First number is 4, 3, 43. So it's 43. Then you have to read this symbol. This is minus symbol. So this is 43 minus 21. How you will read it?
23.
No.
43 minus 21.
So this is 43 minus 21. Okay, that's fine. Now in ones place, Bhavashwat, numbers are 3 and 1. So how many fingers you will take out?
3.
Yeah, now from these three fingers, remove one finger.
Show 3 first. Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell what is how many fingers are left? 2 fingers are left now. Very good. So 3 minus 1 is?
2.
Okay, that's correct. Now tell me in tens place, what is the first number?
3.
Now,
See here.
see properly.
4.
Now show me your 4 fingers. 4 fingers. Yeah. Now from these 4 fingers, how many fingers you will remove?
2.
Now remove 2 fingers. Yeah. How many are left?
2.
Yeah. So now tell me what is the answer?
22.
Yes. So answer is 2 to 22. That's the correct answer. Okay. Now next. Last bit. Yes, Veda, you read last question. Veda?
34 minus. Ma'am,
Yeah.
34 minus 13.
Yeah. So this is 34 minus 13. Fine. Now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
4 and 3.
Yeah. So Veda, how many fingers you will take out?
3 fingers.
No, that's wrong. Now, what is the first number in ones place? What is the first number?
4.
Yeah. Now show me your 4 fingers.
4.
Veda, please keep your camera properly. I cannot see you. Yeah. Now how many fingers you will remove from these 4 fingers?
3.
Yeah. Now remove 3 fingers and tell me how many are left.
1, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. So only 1 finger is left. This means 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now in tens place, what are the numbers?
1. 3 and 1.
3 and 1. So now tell me how many fingers you will take out?
1 finger.
No, that's wrong. I said how many fingers you will take out, not remove.
3.
And now from these 3 fingers, how many you will remove?
1.
So now tell me how many are left?
2.
Yes. So now tell me what is the answer? 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is the answer, Veda?
21.
Yes, answer is 2, 1.
21.
Yeah, 2, 1, 21. That's the correct answer. Okay, so now I'll clear all this. I hope you all have completed. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? If no, then we'll move ahead. Okay, fine. So nobody is writing. Yeah. Yes, children, now open page number 8 of your math course book. Page number 8, question number 8. This is page number 8, question number 8. Yes, children, page number 8, question number 8. Sudhamsh? Sudhamsh? Yes, Sudhamsh, now please read first bit, first question. Yes, Sudhamsh? Sudhamsh, I'm waiting. Come on, this is 5, 7, 57. Yes, Sudhamsh?
4 to 42.
No, who will read this symbol?
Up minus.
Now read this question from starting again. This is 57. Yes, tell me fast. Sudhamsh, you have to read this question. Please read.
Right.
No.
4.
No, wrong. This is 57 minus 42. Don't forget to read the symbol, children. You have to solve questions with the symbol only. So this is 57 minus 42. Sudhamsh, what is the question? Your voice is struggling. Yes, the question is? Lots of disturbance. Advait, could you unmute yourself? Advait, could you? Yeah. Now, Advait, read next question.
4 minus
Advait, read first question.
57 minus 42.
Yes, so this is 57 minus 42. Sudhamsh, listen properly. So this is 57 minus 42. Very good. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place? Advait. Yes, Advait.
7 2.
7 and 2. How many fingers you will take out?
2 fingers.
2.
7.
Yeah, you will take out 7 fingers. And from these 7 fingers, how many fingers you will remove?
2.
Very good. So now show me your 7 fingers and remove 2 fingers from those 7 fingers. And tell me what is the answer? Yeah, now remove 2 fingers.
1, 2,
Yes, what is the answer?
4, 5. 5.
5. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, now what are the numbers in tens place? What are the two numbers?
5, 4.
5 and 4. So tell me how many fingers you will take out quickly.
5.
Yeah, show me your 5 fingers. And how many you will remove?
4.
Remove and tell me the answer.
1, 2.
Yes, what is the answer?
1.
1. So answer is 1 5 15. Answer is 1 5 15. Okay. Yes, Ansel.
Ma'am, which page?
Now you are asking which page. This is page number 8.
Ma'am,
Page number 8. Yes. Dhirav.
ma'am.
Yeah. Dhirav, please read second bit. Second question. Yes, Dhirav, please read. And children, keep on writing these answers in your math coursework. Yes, Dhirav.
Ma'am,
Yeah, please read. Second question.
second question.
7 4 74.
7 4 74.
Then
4
minus.
45.
Very good. So this is 74 minus 45.
5.
Very good, Dhirav. Okay, fine. So now children, this question is different from the questions which we did till now. Okay. Till now, whatever questions we have solved, in all those questions, for the first number was always greater than the second number, right? So that's why we were able to do subtraction easily. But here, if you will look at the numbers in ones place, you can see here that our first number is smaller than the second number. Our first number is 4 in ones place and our second number is 5. So our first number is smaller than the second number in ones place. So what we'll do, whenever your first number is smaller than the second number in ones place, we always take borrow. We will take borrow from the number in tens place. I'll repeat this thing again. Whenever the number in ones place, that is the first number in ones place, is smaller than the second number, we always take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. Okay. So what we'll do, we will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So here in tens place, number is 7. Number is 7. So we will cut this 7. We will cut this 7. Okay. And from this, we will take 110 borrow. Now, whenever you are taking 110 borrow from the number in tens place, we will cut that number. Okay. And now what that number will become? Here the 7 will become 6. Or you can say that here we will write the number which comes just before the given number. So what comes just before 7? Just before 7 comes 6. So we'll write here 6. Or in another way you can say that we will write here the number which is 1 less than the given number. So 6 is 1 less than the 7. 6 is 1 less than 7. So we are writing here 6. Fine. And since we are taking 110 borrow, what this 4 will become in ones place? We will cut this 4 and we will write here 1 and then we will write this 4. So this will become 1 4 14. What I said, we will cut the number in ones place. Okay. And we will put 1 before that number. So in ones place number was 4. So we cut that number 4 and we will write that number 4 with 1. So that number will become 1 4 14. This number will become 1 4 14. Okay. So now from this 14 we have to take away 5. Now from this 14 we have to take away 5. And if you will look at the number in ones place carefully, children, you can see that now our first number is 14 and this is greater than 5. 14 is greater than 5. That's why we took borrow, just to make our first number greater than the second number. Okay. So now you cannot show this number 14 with your fingers, right? So what you will do? Start counting after 5 and count till 14. What I said? Start counting after 5 and count till 14. Okay? So what we'll do, we'll take out our fingers one by one and then we'll count. So children, look here how we are going to do this. I'll show you. Look here. We'll start counting after 5 and count till 14. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 9 fingers. So this means 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So we'll write here 9 in ones place. Now in tens place numbers are 6 and 4. In tens place numbers are 6 and 4. So from 6 we have to take away 4 now. Right? From 6 we have to take away 4 now. Ashrita,
Ma'am.
6 minus 4 how much?
4.
Show me your 6 fingers. Now remove 4.
Okay, ma'am.
How
Now
many?
there are 2.
Yes, now there are 2 fingers. So answer is, what is the answer, Ashrita?
2.
Answer, complete answer. How you will read this number?
1.
Wrong. No. This is 2929. This is 2929. Okay. Janvi. 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 Janvi, where are you? And moreover, you are not there. Arohi, unmute yourself, please. Yeah, Arohi, please read last question. Who will read this symbol, Arohi? Plus or minus? Arohi, plus or minus?
24 minus 24.
Yeah, now this is 24 minus 24. Okay, Arohi, tell me what are the 2 numbers in ones place? Quickly. Ones place.
4 and 4.
4 and 4. So show me your 4 fingers. Show me. Yes. Now remove 4 fingers from these 4 fingers. How many are left?
0.
0. So we'll write here 0 in ones place. Okay, now Arohi, what are the numbers in tens place?
2.
2. From these 2 fingers, how many you have to take away?
2.
Now tell me what is the answer?
0.
Yes. So answer is 0. Very good, Arohi. That's the correct answer. So 24 minus 24 is 0. And children, remember one thing, that whenever you are subtracting same numbers, you will always get answer 0. Whenever we are subtracting same numbers, we'll always get 0. Okay. And in the second bit, I have done this cutting and all. You all have to show this borrowing and cutting. Okay. You have to cut the number in tens place and in ones place also. And write it in a proper way. You have to cut 7, you have to make it 6, then you have to cut 4 and you have to make it 14 in ones place. All right. Yes, so now I'm clearing all this. Yes, children, now word problems. Okay. So I'll be reading your first word problem. Yes, so this is Siddharth had 33 marbles. There's one boy, Siddharth. You all have Siddharth in your class also. So Siddharth had 33 marbles. He lost all of them. He lost his marbles somewhere and he lost all of his marbles, right? Now they are asking how many marbles are left with him, Yes, children, always remember this thing. Whenever this left word is there, you have to do subtraction. Okay? Whenever this left word is there, you have to subtract the given numbers. So here also, we'll subtract. So Siddharth had 33 marbles. There was one boy, Siddharth. He had 33 marbles and he lost all of them. All 33 marbles he lost somewhere. Now they are asking how many are left with him. Okay. So we'll start writing the statements. So children, start writing in your book. Yes, children, write number of marbles. Siddharth had equal to how many? 333. Children, start writing. Come on. Number of marbles Siddharth had equal to 333. Then number of marbles he lost. So they said that he lost all of them. All of them means whatever he had, he lost everything. So he had 33 marbles. So he lost also 33 marbles. Okay. So number of marbles Siddharth had equal to 33. Number of marbles he lost equal to 33. Start writing. Come on. Dhirav, please sit down and start writing. Yes, children. So now what we'll do? Now we will write here ones and tens and we will arrange this number 33 in ones and tens column. Right? So we'll write 3 in ones place and 3 in tens place. And our next number is also 33 because he lost all of them. So we'll write 3 in ones place and 3 in tens place. And one more thing is there that you have to put here minus sign also. You have to put here minus sign. Yes, children, please write fast. Yes. Dhruti?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruti, tell me what are the two numbers in...
Ma'am,
Yeah. Numbers in ones place.
train రావట్లేదు, ma'am.
What? What?
మీరు చెప్పే స్క్రీన్ రావట్లేదు, ma'am.
Dhruti, I cannot understand Telugu. So please speak in English.
అగ్గు అండ్ మేడం చెప్పారు వస్తలేదు అమ్మ బాగా ఇప్పుడే
Dhruti, I'm sorry, but I can't understand Telugu. Mayuri, where are you? Mayuri. Yes, Anvisri. Yes, you were raising your hand.
Yeah, ma'am. She said it cannot show on the screen, ma'am.
She's unable to see the screen.
Ah, yes, ma'am. She said she unable to see the screen, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay. Dhruti, then please check your network because other children, they are able to see. Please check your network, Dhruti. Right. Okay, children, I hope till now you all have finished writing this much. Brinda, you tell me what are the number in ones place? What are the two numbers in ones place? Brinda,
3.
3 and so tell me 3 minus
33.
yeah, tell me 3 minus 3 how much, Brinda? Yes, tell me. Brinda.
3.
Yeah, how many are left? Brinda, from these 3 fingers, remove 3 fingers and tell me the answer quickly. I'm waiting. Remove.
3
minus 3.
minus 3.
Now remove 3 fingers.
2.
No, that's wrong.
2 fingers, no 3 fingers.
Remove 3 fingers.
Brinda, you look here. Brinda, look here. Brinda, look at me.
0.
Brinda, I said look at me. These are 3 fingers, right? Show me your 3 fingers now. Show me your 3 fingers. Now from these 3 fingers, you have to remove 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3. How many are left?
No. 0.
Yeah. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So we'll write 0 in ones place. And what we'll write in tens place? Again 3 minus 3. Yes, Brinda. Again 3 minus 3 is?
3 minus 3.
3.
Yeah, now remove 3 fingers. Close one by one.
1.
How many are left?
3.
No. Wrong. How many?
0.
Yeah.